stop scrolling for a second, because if you have old t-shirts sitting in drawers, hanging in closets, or hiding in laundry baskets pretending they have a future, today they are getting a second chance. I found 50 plus t-shirt upcycling ideas while scrolling Pinterest, and some of these honestly made me stop and think, wait a minute, people are out here turning basic t-shirts into things that look like they came from a boutique. We are talking clothing transformations, creative twists, fun fashion ideas, and projects that can take something forgotten and turn it into something you actually want to wear or use again. I linked the Pinterest board down below so you can check out the ideas and review patterns if they are available. And I want you to vote on your favorite idea, because once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning project in my own style and put my own MIZ Angela Sawyer spin on it. Now I am curious to see which one is going to surprise us the most, because some of these are clever. You know what I love about upcycling shirts? It proves that creativity has never cared about a price tag. Some of the most beautiful things people make are not coming from giant craft rooms filled with expensive tools and fancy machines. They are coming from somebody sitting at a kitchen table with an old t-shirt, a pair of scissors, and an idea. I found all of these ideas while scrolling Pinterest, and what keeps standing out to me is how many people are creating things that look stylish, personal, and unique without spending a fortune. Sometimes we start believing the lie that we need better supplies before we can start creating. But honestly, creativity has always been about using what you already have. Some of the best projects happen because somebody looked at a faded t-shirt and decided not to give up on it yet. That is what I love about upcycling. You are not waiting until everything is perfect. You are creating beauty right in the middle of ordinary life. Some of these ideas could easily cost a lot of money in stores, but instead people are turning old shirts into fashion pieces, tote bags, home decor, patchwork projects, and things that feel one of a kind. I think there is something really inspiring about that, because it reminds us that beautiful things do not always come from expensive places. Sometimes they come from imagination, patience, and a willingness to try. And honestly, sometimes the projects that start out looking the messiest end up becoming your favorite thing you ever made. If you are enjoying these ideas and you love creative upcycling inspiration, make sure you subscribe to MIZ Angela Sawyer, because I have more sewing, upcycling, and creative inspiration videos coming. I also have tutorial videos linked below from previous projects if you want step-by-step ideas and more things to make with fabric, clothing, and thrifted finds. I also think upcycling changes the way you look at yourself a little bit too, because once you realize you can transform something simple into something beautiful, you start realizing how much potential there is in things people overlook. plain t-shirt that somebody was ready to donate can suddenly become something exciting again. And there is something hopeful about that. It reminds me that creativity is not about having the fanciest supplies, it is about being willing to start. Some people wait years to try sewing or crafting because they think they need a perfect craft room or expensive equipment first. But so many talented creators started with almost nothing. They just started making things anyway. That is why I love videos like this, because they show that inspiration is everywhere. I want you to tell me which idea is your favorite, because I love seeing which projects stand out the most to everybody. Also, if you recreate any of these ideas in your own style, that is the fun part, because no two creators make something exactly the same way. And do not forget, there are more helpful tutorial videos linked below with sewing tips, beginner-friendly ideas, and creative projects you can binge after this one. There are also helpful products linked below, like sewing machines, sewing needles, and supplies in case you are looking for tools that can help make projects easier. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep seeing possibilities where other people only see old clothes. And when this video is over, make sure you watch the next video popping up on the screen, because I found even more creative upcycling and sewing inspiration waiting for you over there. And I will see you in the next video.